can soften hardened attitudes. For you are the first generation in this land to inherit more than just the hardened attitudes and the bitter prejudices of the past. It means stronger seawalls, natural barriers, hardened power grids, hardened water systems, hardened fuel supplies.
But year after year, an ideological and economic barrier hardened between our two countries.
Our prisons should be a place where we can train people for skills that can help them find a job, not train them to become more hardened criminals.
Positions get hardened and reinforced.